and I want to underline here, because health officials do not want to panic people. The number of hospitalizations actually seem to stabilize a little bit this weekend, except when it comes to ICU numbers. They haven't had this many COVID-19 patients in the ICU since the winter surge, and yes, that is concerning them. Watch.
More hospitals are asking not to get any ambulance patients for longer periods of time. We're not in a crisis situation yet. We're not even at an area where I need to take any action yet, but the trend is in that direction.
Orange County's medical director for emergency services explaining the warning he spelled out in a letter sent to county first responders. Quote, "This is not sustainable. We have not witnessed increases in ambulance-related numbers of this magnitude since the worst days of the second surge in December of 2020. Ambulances are beginning to experience some of the same issues they did during the last winter's surge, when hospitals were overwhelmed with patients. The reason? An increase in COVID admissions.
If you look back over the last 14 days in Orange County, our hospitalization numbers have more than doubled.
The nurses and doctors have to work a lot of hours, put in, sometimes they're exhausted, so I would just say people get vaccinated.
Of particular concern, children, as schools are reopening to in-classroom teaching.
The burden of disease in children is not trivial, and remember, under 12 years of age, kids don't have the option to get vaccinated, and so we really have to get other people vaccinated to protect them.
It is very alarming for me, especially since I have him and my daughter who's going to go back to school next week. Yeah, so it's like in person, so it's scary.
And my son has actually had COVID, and we were all around him before we knew he had COVID, and none of us got it. We, take precautionary measures when necessary, but we're not afraid.
Now, that last lady does do homeschooling. Here in California, the requirement for all schools is that masks must be worn by everybody. Interestingly, though, Orange County, the Board of Education here, is suing Governor Newsom over that mask mandate, but at this point, it is still the order. I'm live in Tustin. Christina Gonzalez, back to you.